The other regulation is that the fund of the client cannot be used by the member. We have control on that.
Which is the biggest myth about commodities?
The biggest myth about commodity futures market is that they are responsible for the increase in the price or they are responsible for the drop in the price. The truth is that this is just a very transparent platform where all the participants who have the interest in the commodity supply chain are able to participate at any point in time. It has annihilated the boundaries of the states, the timing, the location. One can place order from wherever he wants. So we have been able to connect through the network of internet and enabled everybody. So today you don't have the locational advantage that if you are in the city, you will get a better price and somebody is in the rural area, he will not get that price. If you have the connectivity, you can get the same price, you can participate the same way. And the other myth is that the speculation is the one which is responsible for either dropping the price or increasing the price. The speculators are informed people who respond to the market based on the information. So with every new information, they immediately respond. If they find new information that there is going to be more supply, then they are going to know that the market prices are going to drop and therefore they will take action immediately. And since they take informed decision, many times they are blamed. We have control on the speculation because on each speculator or any participant, FMC, our regulator, controls how much open interest they can have. So how much they can participate or build the position is controlled by the regulator and by the exchange.